In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BCC in Outlook. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it lets you send an email to additional recipients without revealing their addresses to anyone else on the thread. It's perfect for announcements, newsletters, or any message where you want to protect people's privacy and avoid reply all storms. Start by launching Outlook from your desktop. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you have access to your inbox and can compose messages. Open a new message by selecting New Email, or open an existing conversation and choose Reply or Forward if you're continuing a thread. In the message window, move to the ribbon at the top and click the Options tab. Look for the Show Fields section, then select BCC. You'll see a new BCC line appear beneath the CC line. That's where you'll enter any addresses you want to hide from other recipients. Type them in, separated by semicolons, or use the address book to select contacts. People listed in To and CC won't see who's on BCC, and BCC recipients won't see one another either. Be sure to keep at least one visible recipient in the To field. If you're sending a broad announcement, you can address the message to yourself and place everyone else in BCC. When you're done composing, send as usual. If you prefer to have the BCC field show up every time you compose a message, you can make that a permanent setting. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Go to Mail, then Compose and Reply. In the Message Format section, turn on Always Show BCC and click Save. From now on, the BCC line will be visible by default whenever you start a new email or reply, so you won't have to turn it on manually. Depending on your Outlook layout, you might notice that once you enable BCC from the Options tab, Outlook remembers it until you hide it again, but the Settings toggle ensures it's consistent. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use BCC when sharing updates with large groups to avoid exposing addresses or triggering reply all chains. Keep the main audience in the To field so your message stays clear about who is expected to respond. If you need to verify that BCC is working, send a test to yourself in both To and BCC, and review the received headers. And remember, BCC recipients are hidden, but any content you send is still part of the email record, so always write with care. That's all you need to add BCC in Outlook and keep it visible by default. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.